Hello everyone. Today in this video we would like to present to you about 3D printer. Before we start our presentation, we will introduce ourselves. So my name is Miftakhul Mubarok. I am from Material Engineering.
Hello, my name is Alfito Pradana from Material Engineering.
Hello, my name is Adrian Samudra from Material Engineering, and we're gonna presentation about 3D printing. Introduction. 3D printing is a form of additive manufacturing technology where a three-dimensional object is created by laying down successive layers of material. It's also known as additive manufacturing. 3D printing is achieved using an additive process where successive layers of material are laid down in different shapes. 3D printable models. 3D printable models may be created with a computer-aided design package or via 3D scanner. The manual modeling process of preparing geometric data for 3D computer graphic is similar to plastic arts such as sculpting. Printing. To perform a print, the machine reads the design. It lays down successive layers of liquid, powder, paper, or sheet material to build the model. Printer resolution describes layer thickness and XY resolution. The particle 3D dots are around 50 to 100 micrometer. Thank you.
Type of printers. The first is SLA. SLA is the stereolithographic printing. So in this 3D printing, the printer constructs a layer using an ultraviolet laser, and the material is liquid. The print cycle continues in this way, building 3D objects from bottom to up. Next is SLS. SLS stands for Selective Laser Sintering. This 3D printing looks like SLA printing, but different in the material. The material used in this printing is powder. It can form glass, ceramic, and nylon. Next is SLM. SLM is Selective Laser Melting. This printing is to build metal things. The material used in this printing are stainless steel, aluminum, and titanium. Next is the DLP. DLP is a digital light processing. It is similar to SLA, but different in the source of light. The SLA uses ultraviolet, meanwhile DLP uses arc lamps. Next is the subtopic of application of the 3D printing. The first is prototyping. 3D printing often used in prototyping. The example is the top left corner. That thing is the part of the machine. Next is for bioprinting. The example is the making of implant for skull. Next is for construction. That house is printed only in one day using 3D printing. And last, jewelry. 3D printing allow and make us possible to create and customize this small jewelry with complex design because 3D printing has high precision and so accurate.
Hello, and next I will explain about the future of 3D printing. Future of 3D printing has many examples, and I pick only four. One is future application of 3D printing might include creating open source scientific equipment to create open source labs. Science-based application like reconstructing fossil in paleontology, and 3. Replicating ancient and priceless artifacts in archaeology, and 4. Reconstructing bones and body parts in forensic pathology, and etc. And next I will explain effects of 3D printing. 3D printing has big impacts and has many effects to the world, and I take two examples. One in space exploration is making spare parts on the fly, and 2. Cheaper and more efficient space exploration. And the example of effect of 3D printing in social change, conventional relationship between the home and the workplace might get further eroded. And 2. It becomes easier to transmit design for new object around the globe. And then next I will tell about the conclusion of 3D printing. 3D printing technology could revolutionize and reshape the world. Advances in 3D printing technology can significantly change and improve the way we manufacture products and produce goods worldwide. If the last industrial revolution brought us mass production and the advent of economies of scale, the digital 3D printing revolution could bring mass manufacturing back a full circle to an era of mass personalization and a return to individual craftsmanship. Thank you.